To create custom mockup, I'm going to come over to my media here and select the image I want to use as custom mockup. I'm going to click on Edit, Mockups, Custom Mockup. See, it gave us 4 options. Out of these 4 options, it actually turned our skirt into a mockup and the cherry and this. So I'm going to choose in between this one. Sometimes it turns out good, sometimes it doesn't. Let's confirm this. And with this, you can just insert your image. I'm going to scroll here and insert a label for this cake. I'm going to tap on this image. I'm going to drop it into this. Yeah, so this is how to create custom mockup in Canva. I hope this video helps. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.